Garden pavement-like plants can add color, texture, and pattern to your garden. To start, the worker distributed the stone gravel proportional to the level of the wooden perimeter layout. The materials must be distributed properly to the layout. The height and width of the layout are also determined. The robotic plate compactor works well on compacting sand and gravel subbases. When everything is properly measured and aligned, the sand is now added. The worker makes sure that the level of the sand is the same as the level of the layout wooden perimeter. The compactor is used to densify the soil system. This is done thoroughly by the worker until the whole materials are completely compacted. The right choice of paving slabs and stones can rejuvenate even the most tired-looking garden and transform it into a truly outstanding outdoor oasis. These paving slabs and stones come with an exceptional range of paving patio slabs that can bring ideas to life with multiple materials, colors, and styles to choose from. These materials are added to fill the open spaces of our paving stones with the help of the compactor. The paving slabs and stones are the definitive option for creating eye-catching, long-lasting patios and garden paths that will stand up to the elements and the test of time. Is your floor worn out? Just like this? To upgrade the natural color of your flooring, the old worn-out coating must be removed first. Everlast Epoxy offers different products to create a better natural flooring solution for its customer. Everlast Outdoor Tough Weatherproof Polyovastic is an epoxy natural stone flooring design that provides a better look with a well-representative color and texture of any flooring. This design is UV resistant, does not turn amber, yellow, or chalk when exposed to sunlight. Together with the innovative expert scientist of Everlast Epoxy, the company created the advanced elegant natural pebble stone flooring design that boosts the confidence of any facility. This is an advanced engineering design that is very simple to install and contains versatile design options with a wide range of colors, patterns that suit customer style. To install, the surface of the floor must be clean and dry. It is recommended to lightly sand the floor before installation to ensure a proper bond of the materials to the base flooring. The pebble stone is blended with epoxy and mixed thoroughly and is placed in a mortar mixing tub. The worker used the gauge rake with a handle for a uniform material surface with a self-leveling tools mechanism. After setting up the distribution, the gauge rake without a handle and Marshalltown trowel is used for a thorough leveling and polishing of the pebble stone. This process involved hard work and patience, especially for polishing the materials. flooring design is beautifully resilient. This gives a new appearance and experience to every flooring style and design. The durability of the materials is at best and economically cost-effective. To give its lively style and color, an outdoor tough brand of Everlast epoxy natural stone flooring is used. This epoxy flooring design comes in many different colors that fit any floor color. The natural pebble stone flooring design is empowered with advanced technology and engineering design that provides a different level of experience to its customer. In building concrete steps includes processes such as designing, preparing the foundation, building framework, placement reinforcement, and concreting finishing. However, this is not a struggle for a company contractor like Dependable Concrete that has over 35 years of experience in construction. The formwork pattern with wood is set to determine the dimension and alignment of the steps. It is established as a guide for pouring the concrete. The worker distributed the poured concrete starting from the upper to lower step. The concrete is mixed with a well-designed mixer. This maximizes the efficiency of the materials by reducing the wastage and getting the most concrete out of the wet-dry ingredients. After leveling the cement and the concrete is already dry, the wood reinforcement that holds the overall load is removed by the workers. The nosing style of the steps is designed to improve the safety of the user and reduce the occurrence of the accident from slips and falls. This is now the finished output of concrete steps built with style and advanced safety purposes for comfortable daily use. Roof bricks and tiles design are structured from clay products manufactured and used in building construction. It has many uses and functions, especially for lively and interactive building roof design. The materials are durable, efficient, and long-lasting. This traditional way of manufacturing and sun-drying of the materials has been a practice for at least 6,000 years ago. Shock advanced technology like Shock Transol Type Q that enables acoustically insulated connections between winding staircases and staircase walls. It is an optional fire protection kit, flexible application, load-bearing integration, and rotatable element with tongue and groove to ensure the correct positioning of the installation. Another tool is Transol Type T V4 that has an impact sound insulation element for connecting staircases to landings with a straight joint. This tool is suitable for emergency exits, and it can either be cut to length or ordered in the required length. It has an integrated gripper for easy fastening to the formwork. It is also used for acoustically insulated connections between in-situ concrete or prefabricated stairs and in-situ concrete or element landings. It is also used for acoustically insulated connections between an in-situ concrete or element landings. Load-bearing Shock Transol types can be upgraded to surrounding soundproof systems using Shock Transol Type L. All sound insulation performance figures for Shock Transol types relate to systems incorporating Type L in the joint areas. Alternatively, a sufficiently wide architectural air joint is also possible. It must, however, be wide enough to prevent acoustic bridges from forming when dirt drops through. The rotatable load bearing of Shock Transol Type Q is attached to the desired position of the concrete. This load-bearing integration consists of a hanging loop integrated with correct positioning to the concrete that increases execution reliability. Sharp Group is a leading international supplier of thermal and acoustic insulation. The focus of the company is on the development of construction components that are part of the statics and building physics value.